Want to transcribe any audio in Premiere Pro? I'm here to help. I'm Limon, and in this video I'll show you how to transcribe any audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now let's get started.
Generating subtitles in Premiere Pro is actually very easy now. Here you can see that I have an audio file on the timeline, and suppose I need to add subtitles for this. To do this, we need to go to the text panel. Now if you don't see it up here, don't worry, it happens. Just go up to the window menu and click on text. That's it. Now click this little arrow right here. You'll see all the clips on your timeline listed here. In my case, I've only got one clip. If you have multiple, just make sure the right sequence is selected. Now here's the magic part. Click this blue button that says Transcribe. Now Premiere Pro will start listening to your audio and generating subtitles automatically. Just wait a few seconds. Depending on your clip length, it might take a little longer. And we're done. Let's check it.
Barnaby was a crow with a serious branding problem, while the rest of his murders spent their afternoons practicing ominous perching on weathered fence posts.
And just like that, your subtitles are there. You can edit any word and adjust timing. You can also select the subtitles and change the styling in the Properties tab. And that's how you can transcribe any audio on Premiere Pro.